City Series cigars and Citrus 7s, black cement 3s, 4s, the hairs and bread 11s. No doubt that I'll be wearing some fire at any sighting. With these Doran Becker 5s, you can see me in any lighting. It's exciting, I'll be flexing to the coldest degree.
What's up, everybody? It's Sneakerhead M Checks here for a Concord 12s review. Now, a lot of people have been hating on these, and I really don't know why. So let's check them out.
These look good to me. I don't know why people hating on them. Kind of look like purple Nubucks. Not exactly, but kinda, sorta. But I'm gonna compare them to a pair of Nubucks in a few, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Here's the front. The material on them is a little odd. It's kind of like a matte suede almost. I don't know if that's what I'd call it, but it's not your normal suede that you have like on the Nubucks right here. But yeah, still nice. You know, in a way, this material kind of seems like almost like a wet suede. Once again, not really, but you know, I'm trying to explain it the best I can. Here they are from the side. And I absolutely love this purple on them. It's crazy. Here's the other side. Here's the back. I like what they did with the purple strip. Really pops out. Because without this, I feel like the shoe is just... it's too much black. I mean, like, they got the purple here, purple there, but this is a really black shoe. So having this purple on the back, you know, having a lot of purple back here on the strip, I thought that was nice. Inside, they got a nice purple insole with the white Jumpman. Here are the soles. Now, I think these would have looked better if that part down there was purple instead of gray, but it's not a big deal. They come in this box, and here is the box label. Retail for men's sizes was $190 in USD. Now, comparing these to the Nubucks, the only main difference really is the material. Let me put them close together so y'all can see. But yeah, other than that, I mean, everything else is really minor. If I turn the light up some, here we are. Even with the brightest light, you can see, you know, that's what we're working with. But yeah, like I said, everything else is minor, like the eyelets, the you know, the back of the tongue on these has the baby blue, the Carolina blue. The back of these is purple. The strips back here are a little different. This has more purple than this does have blue. And the soles, where, you know, they have the Carolina blue down there, and then right here we just have the gray, which, like I just said, would have been nice if there was purple, but it's not a big deal. I know that's quite a bit, but besides that, I mean, these are purple Nubucks. I ain't gonna call them that, but still, I'm just saying. But anyway, I must have bad taste or something, because a lot of people weren't feeling these, but I love them. These are fire. I probably would have liked them even more if they had that Nubuck 12 suede on them, but even the way they are, these were still a must cop for me. And I'm absolutely shocked at most people's opinion on these. I mean, I must have bad taste or something, for real. Because this is almost as bad as the Bel Airs. The fact that these didn't sell out everywhere first second is outrageous to me. Especially with some of the other stuff that be selling out. Like, maybe something's wrong with my eyes, because this just don't make any sense. Like, I put a poll on Instagram about these. I usually do this around the time of sneaker releases just to get a feel of how everybody feels. And 67% of the people that responded said they'll pass. 67% for these. Like 2/3 of the people that responded said they will pass on these. Like, what?
That nigga's tripping.
Like, I don't know. Like I said, maybe something's wrong with my eyes, because this is crazy. But yeah, I picked up 3 pairs of these because they were so easy to get, and I know they'll have a nice reselling value one day. I mean, these are Concord 12s. I feel like they got to do something just because of the name. These share a nickname with one of the most iconic Jordans ever. And they're 12s. A lot of people like 12s. And these are fire. So even though people are sleeping on them right now, I'm just waiting, because I've seen this happen before. This has happened to a lot of pairs. Just think about that pair of Jordans that was reselling close to retail. Nobody really wanted them. They might have taken a couple hours and maybe even a day or two to sell out. Nobody really cared about them. Then a couple months down the line, you see them reselling for like double the amount. Doesn't happen to every pair, but it happens to pairs, and I feel like these might be one of those pairs. If you guys have the patience to sit on shoes for a long period of time, I suggest picking up as many men's size pairs of these as you can, because the flip's gonna be lit later. So go grab up those pairs, hold them, and just thank me later. But thank you all for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please do me a favor and hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more sneaker related content. I am currently running a Fire Red 4s giveaway, so if you guys want a free pair of Fire Red 4s in your size, I got a link to it down in the description. Everyone, please stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you next time.